Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 2021 Tesla Model 3 Long Range. This Tesla has a fully electric motor, so you do not pay PST on electric vehicles. And from the side, we've got color matched mirrors and black trim, black door handles, and that nice deep tint privacy glass. We also have our Tesla alloy wheels, and then moving around to the front, we're going to find fog lights and a large raked windshield. Now this is not the hood because it is an electric motor, so there is additional storage space right there in what they call the frunk. You can hook this Tesla up to an app on your phone, so you've got a bunch of different features that you can access while not in the vehicle. So let's hop inside and see all the cool things the interior has to offer. So jumping inside, we've got a nice minimalistic design in here. Checking out the door panel, we have our door open, and on our steering wheel on either side, we've got our controls that you can access different information on the dash, as well as your power tilt and telescopic steering. Moving on over to the center console, this is where all the action happens. On the left-hand side, we've got your Tesla, and you can lock and unlock and open and close your trunk and your frunk. We also have the full navigation system here, and if we hit the vehicle button right down here, it's going to bring up a whole ton of different options right there. So you can change your steering mode, your mirrors, adjust your pretty much everything you could think of. If we go down to our safety, we've got a whole bunch of different safety features like your auto sentry mode. And if we go to the autopilot, this is where you're going to find a whole bunch more of your safety features as well. Like if we scroll down here, we've got our automatic blind spot camera, our speed limit, then we're going to find our forward collision warning, our emergency lane departure avoidance, our automatic emergency braking, obstacle aware acceleration, traffic aware cruise control chime, and your green light chime. You can go through all of this and find pretty much every way you want to customize it. And it also has an AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and Apple Carplay and Android Auto. If we take a look up, we've got this beautiful glass roof, and then we have this like new black leather interior. So let's hop out and check out what's going on around back. Moving around to the back, we can see that that glass roof carries through right down to the rear window, and back here we're going to find our Tesla and dual motor badging as well. Walking up, if we open up the trunk, we can just hit the button right down there and the power trunk opens. We have a surprisingly large amount of trunk space in there, and right in this bag is your charging cable and everything you need to keep it going. So to close the power trunk, we just want to hit that button and it will close right up for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to take a look at this 2021 Tesla Model 3 dual motor with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come see us at 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have some questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday, or you can find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.